Hi, it's time for another lab video. Either I look really short or this room looks really big because I'm right here at the lab table. I've got my supplies I need for the soil lab, including some soil that I dug fresh out of the ground. So hopefully I can help you understand how you can do this yourself at home, even if you don't have the exact same supplies I have. Some of them you need to have the same, but others you don't. So you're going to need some dirt, some soil. Okay, that you're going to have to get. You can't substitute something. Okay, but if you don't have a mason jar, you can literally use any kind of glass to store your soil in. I got more than enough, so I'm not going to use this. I'm going to show you a couple things with it, so just so you're aware. So I'm going to show you, for example, if you just have a glass at home and you don't have a mason jar or a jar with a lid, I have a little Tupperware container with a lid. That's where I'm going to be mixing up my soil so I can shake it and mix it and not make a giant mess, hopefully. You also need some powdered dish detergent. So like if you have a dishwasher at home and you have the little powder stuff that you pour in, or if you have these little packets, there's powder in here. They're just like a timed release packet. So I'm going to be cutting this up and adding a little bit of this to my soil. Okay, I know. Hi. The camera's on the laptop, so it's not the greatest angle. But so when you get your soil, you can go outside. You can. I did not dig where there was grass because you'd have to dig through the grass, and then you're going to have lots of roots and like leaf litter and material. And it's okay to have some organic material, but we want to minimize the amount of organic material that we have. So one thing you can do, like if you have like something that you can use to sift your soils, you can sift it. I don't, actually. There might be something in the lab here, but I doubt it. But you don't want to have, like, these are just little clods. They can break up, but you don't want to have like a rock or something. So I'm just going to use that as an example. That's just like a dirt clod. But you also want to look in here. I don't know how well you can see. It keeps moving to the bottom and getting buried. But you don't really want to have organic material in here. I'll pull it out. So like roots. So you don't want like big roots or twigs or stems or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is just kind of pour some of this out here into a second jar, just so I have like extra soil for when, but we'll say if I mess something up. I only need about a cup of soil, and I'm not really measuring it right now. If we were in class, we'd have lots of dirt, and we'd measure it all out. This is more than enough. Okay. I'm going to use this amount. Then I'm going to fill the rest of this with water. I'm going to transfer it over to here so I can mix it all up. So I know I didn't set up my video camera the right way. Surprise. So you're going to hear me get some water. Sorry. I know, high production value. I need to get me a video editor. Anyone know how to edit videos? Because I don't. So this is what's going to happen, and this is what it's going to look like when you fill it with water. Here it is. Again, I'm trying to show you this way, so that way, if you don't have these supplies at home, you can kind of figure out how to mess around. Now, something that you'll notice, you see how some of this dirt is floating right up to the top? You're going to see that when we do video part 2, and we look at how this has settled out. The stuff that flows to the top is organic material, so like stuff that has come from living things. For now, I'm going to shake this up. I really think I won't be able to pause, so that's going to be weird for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to shake this up, and then I'm going to come back and pour it back into here, and then we'll have to look at another video tomorrow about how the layers settle out. In fact, now that I've said it out loud, you don't need to see me shake this for 3 minutes and pour it back into here. You can just imagine I've shaken it really, really, really well, and it's mixed really, really, really well, and it's back in here. And then we'll see in the next video what it looks like after it's been allowed to settle for a day. Oh, don't forget. When I shake it, I'm going to add a little bit, about a teaspoon of this powdered dish detergent. So in fact, so you know that it's really happening, I'm going to add some of that right to this bucket. Oh yeah, that's more than a teaspoon. More than enough. Oh, don't touch it with wet fingers. Okay, so I'm going to add this into here with my powdered detergent. It acts as a surfactant to break up the particles from each other, so you can see more of that settling. That's what we'll see tomorrow. All right, bye.